Hi, y'all, veggie lovers and curious cooks. Today, we're diving into a classic Filipino dish with a twist of pakbet, but without the meat. Yep, you heard that right. We're going all in with the greens today. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. First up, let me introduce the stars of today's show, our lovely veggies. We've got okra, eggplant, sweet potato, winged beans, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and, of course, bitter gourd. This pakbet is not just delicious, it's a powerhouse of health benefits, too. Let's get into it. Wait a second, what do we have here? Fried onions. Looks like the onions decided to crash the party after all, crispy and ready to join the fun. Ginger and garlic, the dynamic duo of flavor and health. Ginger adds a bit of zing to our pakbet and helps with digestion and reducing inflammation. Garlic, on the other hand, is like nature's antibiotic. It boosts your immune system and keeps those colds at bay. And hey, if you eat enough of it, you might even keep the vampires away. Tomatoes bring everything together with their tangy, juicy goodness. They're rich in lycopene, which is great for your heart and skin. Together with our veggies, they create a harmony of flavors that's just pure comfort in a pot. Who needs meat when you've got all this veggie goodness? Sweet potatoes are next, bringing in that touch of sweetness and a whole lot of goodness. They're packed with beta-carotene, which is great for your eyes. Plus, they're high in fiber, so they keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's like nature's candy, but without the sugar crash. Eggplant, a veggie that's as versatile as it is nutritious. Eggplant is packed with antioxidants and fiber, which is great for your digestion. Plus, it's low in calories, so it's perfect if you're watching your waistline. But let's be real, who's watching their waistline when they're making pakbet, right? Ever seen a veggie that looks like a star? That's our winged bean. It's high in protein, so it's perfect for our meatless pakbet. Plus, it's rich in calcium and iron, making it a great bone strengthener. And honestly, who doesn't want strong bones? We've got to keep dancing while we cook, right? Next, we've got okra, also known as lady's fingers. Now, I know okra can be a bit slimy, but trust me, it's worth it. It's rich in vitamins A and C, and that slimy texture? That's soluble fiber, which is fantastic for keeping your heart healthy. Plus, it's great for your skin. Who knew okra could be your new beauty secret? And finally, the veggie that divides the room, bitter gourd. I know, it's an acquired taste. But trust me, this bitter beauty is loaded with vitamins and minerals that help lower blood sugar and boost your immunity. If you're feeling brave, embrace the bitterness, it's good for you. Plus, life isn't all sweet, right? A little bitterness just adds depth. And there you have it, our meatless pakbet, packed with flavor, nutrients, and a whole lot of love. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this dish is as simple as it is satisfying. So, go ahead, give it a try, and let your taste buds dance with joy. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun. So, don't be afraid to play around with your veggies and make this dish your own. Thanks for joining me on this veggie adventure. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep it healthy.